welcome again to my channel. For the past few days I've actually talked about this particular platform that is called the CATSTAR mining platform. It's a free crypto earning platform that is a huge opportunity that I've actually discovered. It's going to leverage on people. So what you need to do is to grab this offer now. I made a video some days ago, and it's actually about this platform, how you can register and also start mining in every 12 hours. So as you can see, currently the number of people on this site have exceeded 600,000 members. So on the target of this platform is to reach 1 million members. Then the platform will be fully launched for withdrawals and other crypto exchange activities to be carried out. Now it is a privilege that you have if you have been staking on this platform for free. So it's something that you need to make here, guys, and start mining if you have not been taking it serious. So this platform, their coin, is going to rise as the number of people on this platform keep growing on daily basis. So and their target is to reach 1 million members, and then they will launch fully for withdrawal and other activities. Now let me show you something. So when I scroll down, you come to this place and see there is a message that was dropped some days ago. So when you come to this place, you check this message. So let me just open this message and show you something, guys. So their users at present, the users of the global version of CATSTAR are growing explosively. It is expected that the small target of 500,000 active users will soon be exceeded, which it has been exceeded currently, and the third halving of CAT revenue will officially take place. So just watch out this, guys. And right here, when you scroll down, you see that there will be a buyback activity whereby the company is going to use $1 million according to them here and purchase a buyback. So at every point when this platform is fully launched for withdrawal and other crypto activities, they are going to carry out a buyback activity whereby if you have for instance, you have any amount of CAT coin you have here, you are going to be paid 0.01 USDT per 1 CAT. So as you can see it right here, so it is necessary that you start claiming these free CAT coins for yourself and accumulate as much as you can. You can also share your link to increase your mining rate. So and this buyback criteria is what you can actually read up when you come to this place and see how it's going to be of great benefit for those that are taking it serious. So if you can imagine having up to 500,000 CAT coins, and it is purchased back at a rate of 0.01 USDT per 1 CAT coin. So you know how much you are going to realize on this platform, guys. So and as the users on this platform are increasing on daily basis, you are going to have more valuable CAT coin for yourself. So take it serious, guys. And when I go back, I will show you how I have been able to stake. So when I check my wallet, I will show you my current earning on this platform. So as you can see that what I have here is 108,973 CAT coin, which is equivalent to $217 for free, guys. So the buyback USDT that I'm going to receive is 217 for the current rate of this CAT coin. So but I believe that this coin will massively get more strength, and the value will appreciate the more. So as the more users are trooping in and keep claiming this coin and mining it every 12 hours. So guys, you don't need to waste time on this platform watching out while others are grabbing this opportunity for free. It's a great airdrop and you don't need to miss it out, guys. So you can always come to this place and click on this mining. So when you click mine, it will start counting like this. You start accumulating. So every 12 hours you come to this platform and grab this opportunity for yourself and keep accumulating this coin for free. So that is how this platform works, guys. Do not waste time, guys. Do not waste time. It's going to be of great advantage. This is a crypto project that people who have gathered a lot of crypto experiences can actually tell you what it is to have this particular offer available. So don't waste time while this offer is currently free. So everything is completely free. Nobody is asking you to pay a dime to mine these free coins. It's just for free. Those that will participate will actually get to benefit on the long run. So guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned while I share other opportunities that will give you access to make free money online. Thank you guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.